This video was made to show how simple it is to modify maps in specific file. Create new project. Open the file you need. In this case we are working on McLaren with Bosch, ME.17833. Let's open map view. As you can see, automatic map recognition module did not recognize any map. So let's import all maps to be able to edit them. Loading maps. As you can see, all maps now are identified and organized. Just need to select the map. After select the map, you can make all changes you need. You can edit the map, using absolute values, based in percentage, and also fixed values. In this case, we will increase 100, in all values selected. All values was increased by 100. You can see the modified value individually in each cell. Also you can copy the edited values to similar maps, using the Copy to Similar Maps option. SWIFTEC detects similar maps automatically and copy the new values from selected area. As you can see, all data was copied successfully to similar maps, in this case driver's wish map. In 2D view, all changes can be also visible. Go to map view again. Now, let's modify another map, in this case will be RPM limiter. We use change by edit, because in this particular case, we want to set fixed values. All values was modified successfully. The modifications are very clear in 2D view. As you can see, SWIFTEC is very intuitive to use, and is capable to do everything you need for your business. Any changes immediate gets map names bold. There's 4 types of maps: My Maps, User-Created Maps, Loaded Maps, downloaded from SWIFTEC website, Automatically Detected Maps, Imported A2L Maps or DOMAS. Each of them can be edited or copied and gets automatically saved when close project or SWIFTEC. In this case, we're gonna use interpolation, because we need different values across the map. This function can be used to add absolute value or by percentage. All changes you made in maps will appear in bold and orange. With all these functions, you will be fully prepared to make your own developments. Thanks for watching.